Building on decades of proud and proven success, Jacksonville Ship Repair looks to the future.
A future where the advanced ship repair technologies and expanded docking capacities will enable our team to move faster and more efficiently.
Jacksonville Ship Repair will become the most capable facility with the most dedicated ship repair team on the East Coast of the United States.
This is the future of ship repair. What makes Jacksonville Ship Repair special? The people. Of course, we do wonderful quality work, but the work doesn't happen without the people.
We are the team of the resilience. We face all different kind of challenges every day, but we always find a way to overcome it.
I'm just super excited about the opportunities that some of the young people that step into the doors here at Jacksonville Ship Repair have, especially with the ship lift coming up. They have nowhere to go but up.
It's going to really put Jacksonville here on the map. We're going to be hard to compete with. It's quite amazing. I want to see it firsthand.
We'll be able to do more ship repairs and support the community even beyond the realm of what we can think of right now, knowing that that in itself is going to support our community and have more people employed is very, very, very grounding and very exciting.
The shipyard workers here in Jacksonville really take a lot of pride in working on the Navy ships. The Navy, just from past experience and the work that we've actually provided to them in the past, I think they feel that they're getting a quality product here from BAE Systems.
It's great feeling to make sure that my family at home feeling safe, not just America and not just Japan, but a whole world of peace, honestly. I feel grateful to be part of that big service to the world.
Self-preservation is the first rule of life in protecting me, playing a part in protecting others like me, Americans, who is paying it forward. I'm doing my part.